remember it. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together.
We're in Florida. Hi. This is our first full day in Florida. Yesterday we got here. We just hung out and we went for dinner. So our first full day, we're having some lunch. We're gonna do some shopping. And that's that. Welcome to Florida. Welcome to Florida vlogging. Good, thank you.
We can pretend that time is still. Stay in the daydream, chase the thrill. Make up a way as we go. Live for the moment, lose control.
I think it's very appropriate.
Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind,
so cute.
put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light and take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together. We both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up.
Damn.
We will still be high when the lights out.
This is probably the cutest store I've ever seen in my entire life. How cute is this changer? Day 3 in sunny Florida, and we finally made it to the beach. Sanibel? Sanibel? Is that where we are? Lighthouse?
How do you guys want to go?
I don't know. You want to find out? Oh, there's the lighthouse. We're planning to hang out at the beach today because the forecast is the nicest today out of any day that we're here. So we're going to just relax, catch some rays, hang out for a few hours, and then we'll probably do a little bit more shopping later this evening. Hi YouTube. We're sweaty. We're sun-filled. Are we going home right now? Yeah. We're going home to shower and then we're going to go to Naples. Yeah. That's the plan. We're gonna go for dinner. Maybe we'll do a little shop till we drop. We're just gonna see what happens. Where the afternoon takes us. But it's hot. 85. Plus 2. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Today has been such a beautiful day here. Like, it's actually been the perfect day. We're home now. I just showered, changed. I was just saying to the girls that I haven't seen a lizard yet. I haven't seen a lizard since I've been here. Which is weird. You know, the little ones? Maybe stand here.